Hello, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch Model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to update the apps on this device. First, we need to open the Google Play Store. Of course, if you want to update the apps on your device, you need to be connected to the internet, and also you need to add a Google account to your device. Once you do that, open the Google Play Store. In the store, tap on this icon right here on the account icon. And here you have option called My Apps and Games. Select it. And as you can see, here we have an updates category. And we have list of updates we can install, or rather list of apps we can update. To update the apps, you can find the app you want to update and tap on update button next to it. For example, let's update the Booking.com. And after the update is done installing, the app will disappear from this list. And now we have only 17 updates pending. You can also tap on update all button to queue all of the apps for update, as you can see, but it's gonna take a while, so be aware of that. I'm just gonna tap on stop right here. And that's how you update the apps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.